BackBox dealing with backup, automation, and health checks to make sure that the customer has added value by automating their manual daily tasks and doing BackBox to use better way to backup and store the devices. So BackBox was 9 years ago the best reseller in Israel, the checkpoint reseller, and actually we got the need from the field. And 9 years ago we were with 0 customers. Today we have more than 500 customers that using BackBox, so it's very, very powerful to be here. The new technologies that we are focused with Checkpoint is to break up all the flavors and to do restore to all the flavors, no matter what kind of device they have. Additional thing that we are doing with Checkpoint is the intelligent checks that we can check actually the devices by SSH, grab information and give alerts about the situation of the devices. Another thing that is very good with the Checkpoint is the API, that now with the new API we can even do much more than what we did in the past.